Okay, so let's learn some physics because I'm awesome like that. Alright, so we already know that force of friction is a function based on the coefficient of friction times the normal force. Well, normally this acting on an object sitting on a flat surface, the normal force would just be the same as the force of gravity acting down on the object. So we would have no problem just saying force of gravity um, times the coefficient of friction equals force of friction because these two are equal. Now, what you wanted to know was if we were on an inclined slope, right? So if we have an object here, it will be moving downward, but at the same time it'll have a normal force giving it the friction that you wanted to know about. Well, all these forces acting on it all come from one force, which is gravity. Now, because of this, we can basically say it's a function of gravity because there are no other forces acting on it. So to find the normal force, which is always perpendicular to the surface, we can use trig. So let's extend this slope so I can draw a picture. This will be gravity going down. Well, if this is gravity going down, then this has to be the normal force going up because it's always perpendicular. Well, because of that, we can say that this angle, which will be the normal force compared to gravity, we can say that this angle is this minus 90, or 90 degrees minus this, because they're complementary, right? Because this is straight down and this is an incline, this is flat. So because this is 90 and this is sine, we can just say this is cosine, because that's just a trig property. So then we can say the normal force is the force of gravity times cosine theta, where this incline is theta. Now, because of that, we also know that force of friction is the normal force times the coefficient, and all we have to do then here is multiply Fg cosine theta by the coefficient, and you have, yeah, I can't write it. Anyway, that's normal. That's force of friction. Okay, bye.